Hey, it's Perry from GearDiary.com and welcome back to my kitchen. This is the Phillips 3200 LatteGo super automatic espresso machine. It does everything for you from grinding the beans to pulling the shot, and it can even make up to 5 different espresso drinks. Using an ingenious milk carafe design, it can even make a latte macchiato or cappuccino at the single touch of your finger. Let's get up close and personal with the Phillips 3200 LatteGo and look at some of the features. Right on the face of the machine is where you control all the functions. You choose your drink, let's say an espresso, using the touch panel, or you can choose a coffee, Americano, cappuccino, etc. Once you select your drink, you can choose the number of beans to grind, as well as the amount of coffee to pour. And if you're using a milk drink like a latte macchiato or a cappuccino, you can select the amount of milk to include. Once you've got all your features set, you hit the start button. On top of the machine is the bean hopper that has an aroma seal lid so you know your beans will stay fresh. You can also change the coarseness of the burr grinder here, and you have a chute where you can pour a single scoop of ground coffee if you have a favorite ground coffee that you just want a single serving of. The spout is an adjustable height, so you can raise it up and down depending on the vessel. You can put it all the way up for a travel cup or all the way down for a single shot. And the milk carafe is really easy to use. You just set it right on there and you're good to go. The bottom tray pulls out really easily, and that's where you get your drip tray, and you can also see that's where you keep your extra grounds. Really easy for just tossing them when it gets full. A really nice feature on the Phillips 3200 LatteGo is that you can access everything from the front, including the water reservoir. You can just pull it right out. You don't need access to the side. And inside that water reservoir, you can see that's the AquaClean filter right there. It allows you to go for about 5,000 cups of coffee before needing to descale the unit. If you do want to get into the internals of the machine, you just pull the water reservoir out, and your trap door is right here to access the brew group. To access the brew group, you just push right here, take it out, and you can rinse that out every week or so. It's really easy to maintain this machine. So you can see it's really easy to make a shot of espresso. You just press the espresso button. You can choose single shot or a double shot. We'll just do a single shot tonight. And then choose the strength of the coffee, the amount of coffee, and then hit go. You can hear it grinding the beans now. The water's heating up. And here's our espresso. You can see it's got really nice crema there on top. See the layers forming there. Makes a really nice shot of espresso. I know you're excited to see how easy it is to make a cappuccino, so here we go. You just press the cappuccino button there, select the amount of beans, how much coffee you want, how much milk you want. Let's just leave it there. Press start. It'll grind the beans first. Then it'll start heating up the milk. You'll see it frothing the milk, and the milk will be delivered right into the cup, followed by the espresso. And you can see it makes a really nice cappuccino. Has really nice layers to that cup. You see the nice head of froth on the top. I mean, it's a really nice cup of cappuccino. I've been super impressed with this machine, you gotta say. So that's the Phillips 3200 LatteGo. We're really impressed with it. It makes a great shot of espresso, a delicious cappuccino, a really nice latte macchiato. I'm super impressed with this carafe. I didn't think I would be, but it makes a really nice foam. I mean, look at that. The only downside to it is you can't make latte art. I'm Perry from GearDiary.com. Thanks for watching.